Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to go live on Instagram. So if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. So let's start the video. First of all, you will simply open your Instagram application. So we have opened our Instagram application. So by tapping onto the story, onto your story, you will scroll it down. So here is the option of reel, post, story, and you will scroll like this, and here is the option of live. You will simply tap on it. So it will be take some time, and it will take a little bit time, and then it will be connected to your internet and you are on live page on Instagram. So this is the simple process of going live on Instagram. So if you want to end it, you will simply tap on the cross and you will simply tap on end video, and you can easily discard the media as well, or anything. You can share this on the screen as well, so we will discard it. So this is the simple process of going live on Instagram. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Thank you.